we've got a dumbbell squat pulse, all right? So, or just regular dumbbell squats, holding on to the dumbbell. We're coming down, we're gonna squat, add the pulse, coming up 3/4. Down, pulse, pelvic thrust. If you can go lower, let's go for it. Coming down, go low, maybe get a couple of pulses, 2 or 3, coming up, pelvic thrust forward, clench those butt cheeks. Again, coming down, don't let those shoulders round, shoulder blades back. Inhale, breathe in, get a few pulses, pelvic thrust forward, squeeze the glute. I like doing these pulses because I can get a little bit more time under tension, work the glutes, I can even feel my abs working a little bit more, and I don't have to go as heavy on the weight. Give this move a shot, especially if you're a female. Get those pulses, work the glutes, especially if you're a guy. Get those pulses, work the glutes. You're gonna feel that butt working a little bit more. Get that pelvic thrust, clench your butt cheeks, get that extra contraction in, and it's gonna make all the world of difference of developing your butt.